I was here in Seattle when my appendix ruptured, but we didn't figure out what it was until 7 days later, and came close to dying. And when I was in the hospital every day, I would go to the window to see if the sun was shining, and if the sun was shining, I'd feel like, yes, I'm gonna feel better, I'm gonna heal up. And so I want to sing this song tonight to anybody who's going through some any problems with your body, any problems with your heart, any problems with your emotions. This is a chance tonight to just let whatever it is go, even if it's just for tonight, even if it's just for this couple of hours. This one goes like this. I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to kill today, and I wish I had a dime for every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the water's as high as the times you're in. So I jump back in where I learned to swim, try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, just waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Jess, can I get a mic over here? That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Let me hear you sing it. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. One more time. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. You sound beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Over here. I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. You say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time to heal today, and I wish I had a dime for every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win. The water's high, the time's rolling. So I jump back in where I learned to swim, try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. Ready to sing it? Here we go. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2, put your hands together. I saw my friend Bobby, he said, what's up, man? Got a little work going 20 million. I opened up my hand, he said, I'm glad to see. They can take away my job, but not my friends, you see. Here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Put your hands up high, y'all. Here we go. I wanna go where the summer never ends. We might be on the beach there with all my friends. The sun's so hot, the waves in motion. Everything smells like suntan lotion, the ocean, and the girl's so sweet. So kick off your shoes and relax your feet. They say that miracles are never ceasing. Every single soul needs a bit of releasing. Stereo coming till the sun goes down. I only wanna hear that sound. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Jay Booty, play that guitar. When the sun goes down, you're the one I wanna be with. When the sun goes down, you're the one I wanna be with. When the sun goes down, you're the one I wanna be with. Make some noise! And that's the sunshine.
Oh, sunshine, coming down.
Coming down.
That's the sign. Oh, sunshine, coming down.
What's your name? What's your name?
Lily.
Give it up for Lily. Are you ready? It's your turn. That's the
Sign of sunshine coming down.
one more time. That's the
Sign of sunshine coming down.
everybody sing it with her now. That's the
Sound of sunshine coming down.
I want to see you all jump in. That's the sound
Of sunshine
coming down, coming down.